one sound clash. 6 months later, we made a record deal with After Club.
It all exploded so big internationally. It gave us kind of like a name or a platform to be where we are right now.
Since I won the Miller Sound Clash, everything's better. More gigs, traveling around the world. Peru, Colombia, Miami a lot. I got my single released last month.
Winning the Miller Sound Clash is like winning the World Cup.